Let's review borrowing and regrouping when subtracting. So first we want to do 792 minus 54. We can't do 2 minus 4, so we have to borrow from our tens place. We borrow 1 10 from our tens place. Now we have 8, and we regroup that 10 into ones. So 10 ones plus the 2 ones we already had. Now we have 12 ones. Now we can do 12 ones minus 4 ones and get 8 ones. Now we can subtract our 8 tens minus 5 tens and get 3 tens, and our 700 minus no hundreds gets us 738. Now let's look at another example. 108 minus 39. We look at our ones place. We can't do 8 minus 9, so we have to borrow. But there's no tens for us to borrow from. So we're going to go to our hundred place and borrow 100. We're going to borrow from our hundred place. If we do that, we have no hundreds left. We have 0 hundreds left in our hundreds place. That 100 we borrowed breaks down into 10 tens. Now we can borrow 1 10. We borrow 1 10 from our 10 tens, leaving us with 9 tens. We break down that 1 10 we're borrowing into 10 ones. We can include that with the 8 ones we already had, making 18 ones. Now we can do 18 minus 9 and get 9 ones, and 9 minus 3 and get 6 tens. And we have 0 hundreds to subtract, leaving us with 69. Now let's look at this example. We're borrowing from all the way from the ones place. So we have 5,000 minus 462. We can't do 0 minus 2. We can't do 0 minus these numbers. So we have to borrow. 0, we borrow. There's nothing here to borrow, so we move over a place. Again, nothing here to borrow. So we borrow all the way from our thousands place. We borrow 1,000, leaving us with 4,000. Our 1,000 breaks up into 10 hundreds. We have to borrow again because we still need to get all the way to our ones place. When we borrow from our 10 hundreds, we're left with 9 hundreds. We regroup that 100 into 10 tens. We have to borrow 1 10 from our tens place, leaving us with 9 tens, and we break down that 1 10 into 10 ones. Now we can do 10 ones minus 2 ones to get us 8 ones. 9 minus 6 to get us 3. 9 minus 4 to get us 5, and 4 minus no thousands to get us 4,000, 4,538. And our last example, 3,810 minus 965. Again, we have to borrow from another place to be able to subtract our 5. So we borrow from our tens place. Our tens place is left with 0. Our 110 we borrowed breaks down into and regroups into 10 ones. We can do 10 minus 5 to get 5. Now we have nothing here. So we borrow from our next place, our hundreds place. We're left with 7 hundreds left. And our 100 that we borrowed breaks down into 10 tens. And we didn't have any tens here, so we just have our 10 tens. Now we can do 10 minus 6 to get 4 tens. Now, again, we have to do 7 minus 9, but we can't do that. So we have to borrow from our thousands place. We're left with 2 thousands. Our 2 thousands, the 1,000 that we borrowed breaks down into 10 hundreds, but we already have 7 hundreds here. So 10 plus 7 gets us our 17 hundreds here in our hundreds place. Our 17 in our hundreds place minus 9 gets us 8 in our hundreds place, and 2 minus nothing is 2,000. 2,845 is our answer. I hope this helps. Keep subtracting.